Good morning. Yeah, I was actually technically I was here. Technically. But the stream was not quite live. Mimi and Drywall. The two best people to start the stream with. Always here at the open. I was up late last night editing a video. Yeah, as which is my usual excuse these days. I spend a lot of time editing videos. I kind of what program do I excuse me. So there's a program on Windows which I'm going to tell you about because that's your world. Called DaVinci Resolve, and it's free for there's a pro version, but there's a free version that does everything. The explanation I've been given is I don't know why you would use the pro version. Yeah, DaVinci Resolve. Look at you knowing what you're talking about. And then on my Mac, I have Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere. I have them both. So like between the Windows, my PC, I have DaVinci Resolve. The Mac, I have Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, After Effects. I have After Effects. I've got Motion. I've literally have every program that you would use for like video editing, transitions, special effects, all of this. I have too many tools at one point, and I'm just trying to learn out of them. We just switched. Video Consultant said it literally does everything Premiere does, but free and easier to use. Resolve has better subtitling too. Well, if you saw my video that I made of the vacation, that was Resolve. Here's the I made a channel trailer for last night. I don't know if we can. That's the one I made last night in Resolve. I don't know. Anyway, we don't need to show it. It's just it's like a 60-second like promo thing for the channel. I had made one before, but I didn't realize that it had to be under 60 seconds, so I couldn't use it. So this one is like 52 seconds, 58 seconds. And I'll tell you what, Mr. Drywall Sarcasm, there's a lot of sarcasm in that video, so I think you will approve from that perspective. What's the market doing? Up a little bit? Less than 1% moves, like a what's up? How are you? Look at you. You slept well? Fantastic. Mm-hmm. Goodbye. What is the market doing today? Is this a nothing day? Is there any news? Anything going on? Looks like a nothing day right now. The Russell's the strongest? Oh, crude oil's down. Crude oil's down. We don't see that very often. Seems to be up a bit on my end. That's what I'm seeing too. That's what it looks like here. Wow. Drywall, you see how much volatility is in? Almost 3%. This is a monster contraction. I guess we won't be like forcing any new trades today. So my Carnival Cruise puts are going to be zeros. That didn't work out. Those are just going to expire. We got some. This is so close to coming off. Come on, Citigroup, you can do it. And what's the other one? Microsoft made an announcement with GameStop. Let's look at GameStop. That was a big piece of announcement this morning. Games. Oh, it's down. I thought it was up. Was that yesterday? It went up. Oh, look at that. Okay. GameStop was up yesterday. 13 question for adults. Is it bad to eat a lot of uncooked pasta? Why aren't you cooking it? I think it could actually be hard to digest. I don't know if it is good to eat uncooked pasta. Boom. Why do you hate water? Oh, you like it? Do you eat it like a snack? Like to crunch on? Let me tell you something. Boiled pasta is delicious. Try it sometime. Yeah, I would actually be a little bit. I mean, it's just flour and water. It's just flour and water, so I guess it can't really be bad. But something tells me it would be hard to digest. I don't know if that's true or not, but it's just flour and water. And maybe an egg, I guess. If you just want to crunch on something, you can do pork rinds are great for situations like that. All right, drywall. We're in GameStop. We did a Jade Lizard in GameStop. Sky's the limit. You already have a closing order. Oh, wrong. Okay. Wrong stock. EM, not GME. Scott Sheridan didn't write me back, by the way. How can you have enough positions with just ETFs? I mean, first of all, you have to be proud of the changes that I've made over the past year. I mean, our group chat was pretty dead for a while. There's a lot of ETFs. Yeah, there's these that begin with X. There's TLT. That's true. SPY, SLV, Qualcomm, GLD. IWM. What looking at my screen comparing it to yours, what ETFs do you have that I'm not in right now? I'm not in XOP. I'm not in I mean, it's Friday. You're not working. Today's your work from home day, and you work from home every day now. So I mean, like, let's cut to the chase here. You're not doing anything. Here's an XOP Jade Lizard. We'll do that. Let me do the watch list. Isn't there an ETF watch list? Liquid ETFs. Take off the earnings filter. What is TQQQ? I saw some people the other day talking about TQQQ and SQQQ. Why would you trade one of those instead of... Are they leveraged or something? Ultra Pro QQQ? VXX? Something tells me drywall is not in VXX. Oh, EWW and EWZ. I could be in those positions. I could have positions there. Let's strangle those. Yeah, so I'm not in EWY. I need to add IBB, IYR, carry. I'm in SMH, I think. The X's, yeah. Okay, multi-lots, calm down. Calm down. EWW. EWZ. How did I fall out of EWZ? I had been trading that pretty regularly. EWY. Japan, right? Hey, I won whoa. I won a DraftKings baseball challenge last night. $6. I don't know any baseball players except for the New York Yankees. I just pick guys at random. It's a skill game. IYR. You would, huh? You'd look at them. KRE. Is that what's KRE? Home builders? Banking. All right. XBI. I don't think we're in XBI. Biotech. Oh no, we are in XBI. Okay. XLE, XLU, XL. I think V we needed to add. We have XLE, XLF, XLU. Add XLV. The fuck's wrong with this? These strikes, 33 cents. What did they have? Some stupid dividend or something? What is up with these strikes? XLV's, oh, its IP rank is 24, but that doesn't look that great. All right, did I catch everything that he said? Yeah. EWY, EWZ. GLD we already had. IYR, KRE, Qs. We have SMH in the IRA account. Oh my God, it's already in the money. What's going on? Time to roll. Down to 20 is still good to go. I think given that volatility has been so high that like a 20 IVR is now like much better than, you know, back in 2017 when volatility was just sitting at 10. Like even a 40 IVR was still shitty volatility. I'd say these days like a 20 to 25 IVR is great compared to what the shit we've dealt with in the past. All right, well, we've just put on 5 new trades. And we've got a bunch more working here. That's gonna, how does that not fill? That's crazy. There's 6. There's XLV. Here comes EWZ. No, that's the last one. EWZ. Come on. We're not going to pay the natural. We're not paying the natural. I refuse to pay the natural. Nat gas is up. Crude oil is down. Whoop. Everything on. 8 new trades. My one concern, volatility is down 3%. We're not. Oh, we would be making money if not for my currency positions. We're down $100 today in currencies. Oh, and look, we just kicked into big profitability. Sam, but with the saw. Oh my God, I had just realized I haven't, because I got late today. I haven't even looked at the softs. Oh my God, soybeans, what are you doing? Fucking drywall, what is going on with soybeans, dude? XOP filled. It's another position. What the fuck is going on with these goddamn soybeans, dude? I'm so fucking pissed with these damn soybeans. I put on a euro trade. Yeah. So I'm moving my currencies over from Thinkorswim to TastyWorks. It looks like when my euro trade came off in Toss, I put it on in I put a new one on in TastyWorks. So I'm kind of getting to a point. If I do the same thing with softs and bonds, then I wouldn't be using Thinkorswim for anything anymore. Which is a little scary. I don't know why that scares me, but it does. Schwab owns Thinkorswim now. That's true. There were two mergers. Schwab bought in my personal world. I think E-Trade merged with someone too, because our employee stock accounts go into E-Trade, which we don't have a choice. That's just who my employer puts it into. I think E-Trade got bought by someone too, because I got some email about E-Trade. And now Schwab owns, yeah. What were we looking at AMD for? What was it? Oh, I wanted to look at just the NASDAQ today and see how what does it look like today? Where's the open? All right, here's the open. Opened up in 20 minutes and then has come down. All right. 639 to 632. So it's only 7 points off the highs. You had a lot of QQQ today. Today it closed. That doesn't make any sense to me. Have you been rolling puts? I don't understand what your Q's positions look like that they closed today when it's up $2. Were they inverted? I could see it coming in. I could see it closing when volatility is in 3%. That's what I could see. What's going on with Aussie and Canadian today that it's doing so poorly? Oh, it's getting kind of high. Plus we're double down in Aussie. Last thing before you go. All right, here we go. Go Steelers. Election? No. I mean, what would we do differently because of the election? Close and move to smaller deltas? You mean between now and then or afterwards? I think we have at least, well, maybe not at least. I think we have one more cycle before we need to do anything differently at all. I mean, like, what positions are going to be on election night specifically? That's a fair question. What do you mean we have 3 weeks? 3 weeks is October 30th. That's not even Halloween, dude. And let's look. The December, oh wait, that's a futures contract. 42, we have 42 days in the November cycle. So 3 weeks is 21 days. The November cycle is going to be coming off before the election. November cycle is going to be coming off before the election, so I don't care for the November cycle. And then maybe just don't put anything on for December yet. I mean, it depends what volatility is like, right? Like if the VIX is 50, how are we not going to trade that? I don't see any reason to like to even consider it now. Yeah, sure. Wider positions. You're afraid and you don't like money. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, I'm sorry that I'm going to give you the Tom answer here that it's all priced in and like the risk is there whether there's an election or a Fed event or an earnings report. I mean, what's the only way that you can? All right, I know you got to leave, but the only way you're going to get blown out is like if something catastrophic happens and the VIX like spikes up like over 100. And if that's the case, your smaller deltas aren't going to help you. All right. Goodbye, Karen, the super trader. We need DraftKings to have an up day. You're worried about an up move? All right, then don't sell any calls. Just sell puts, kid. Easiest trade in the book. First one you learn. SLV. What's going on with SLV? We have an inverted position and a non-inverted position. We need silver to chill out. We need it at somewhere between 20. We probably want it around 21, 22. We're a little bit too long, though. Let's make an adjustment here. We're just gonna sell a little put here. And see if we can get filled there for 21 cents. Little adjustment. All right, let me take an opportunity to look at the news. What does CNBC say today? With $3 billion on the line, expect NFL games to continue despite COVID. Okay, there's our silver position. Broadway is going to remain closed. Okay. Not a lot of major. Mimi, how are things going down in Australia with the lockdown and stuff? Are things improving at all down there for you? Ted Cruz warns. This is an interesting story. So that's CNBC, not much there. Let's check out CNN. We got Trump's health, governor getting kidnapped, and a hurricane. Typical day these days. So normally on Friday, I'd be doing my weekly wrap up. But this was such an odd week. Coming back from vacation that I don't know if I really have it in me right now. I may have to just put together a quick like edited video of all the stuff that closed this week, because it's just gonna be a lot to try and go through on stream. But I do want to put one together for my YouTube channel. So that might be like my activity tonight. It's going to be a little bit on the boring side unless I edit it. So I'm not going to subject you guys to that right now. Crude oil. Getting a little bit of strength underneath it. I think I do need to roll this Aussie dollar. To collect some more money there. This one is the Canadian as well. That's a smaller roll. Hopefully that can get picked up. DraftKings is just killing me here. What did I sell this for? 5, 3 something. I just need one good up day in DraftKings to get out of this position. All right, let's see what this says. Reading this update on a Discord server. Server has been completely redesigned. Here's what's new. Cleaned up the channels and categories to make it easier to navigate. One-time warning system. Do 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 do. So that's that. Just got filled. Spy 346. Same day expiration. What's spy at? Trade. All expirations. 346 calls. Clear. Where's clear? Will there be a rally at the end of the day? That's what some people are betting on right now. Okay. Keep an eye on that. The SPY close over 346 with 50 cents over 346. That's seems like a big bet right now. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Okay. Anything in okay, that's fine. We sold that for 21. We want to close it for 10. Actually, we don't. We want that to we want to literally have that expire. Because it's a hedge on the other position. Well, I guess a nickel is always a reasonable trade. Oh, my graphics are being weird. Is that oh, it's not. Oh, I gotta. Gosh darn it. TastyWorks isn't fitting the whole thing on the screen. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Yeah, see, you're getting the black squares on the stream too. My graphics are not doing great. Is Thinkorswim doing that at all? Doesn't seem to be. What can we have some fun with here? Nat gas. Our natural gas, we had a strangle on and it came off. So let's put on another one. Let's do it a little bit more aggressive. We'll do 30 deltas instead of the 16. Let's see if that'll fill. Jason T. Oh, Jason. Oh, thank you. I woke up a little late this morning. I'm glad you're here. I woke up a little late and I installed Stream Raiders yesterday and I didn't get it set up for the stream. So I'm going to do that right now. I set my account up, everything, Captain. I need to add it as a scene. let's get going. I'm so glad you popped in to remind me. All right, welcome, Captain. Select the battle. What do I need to do here? Do I add the application as a source? Is that what I do? How to play. I should probably follow the Jesus, where do I get this? What's the best way to follow to find the setup settings? Graphics, Captain. I should go to the website, huh? Did I get an email? I think so. Play as Captain. Download now. I've already downloaded now. Streamer info. Play straight from the browser. Broadcast via OBS. All right. Instructions should be in there. Let me check. Stream Raiders. Thing is, I don't know what email address I use. Did I get accepted? Why? What do you mean about accepted? I don't see an email here. Let me look at my Gmail real quick. I know it said it's a beta, but like the application was letting me YouTube. They sent an email. Interesting. Well, like, here. Let me add this and see if you can see. Here's what I have for Stream Raiders. Here's the oops. That's the game. But how do I add it? Do I have to add like an extension or anything on my Twitch? I don't know what my email address is set up for. It's just whatever my Twitch is, I guess. I'm assuming if I start this battle that you're not going to be able to join, right? Oh, yeah. Join at streamraiders.com/T. Maybe so. Okay, I got it. Should have been an option to auto put it in chat. Oh, overlay. Here we go. Normal unit alerts. Epic unit alerts. Yeah, I just checked that. Here, let me type it in though. streamraiders.com/T/maybe so. So see if you can get. Can you add a? Or is this just the training mission? Maybe like a tutorial. It's also not updating. Like this, it looks like whatever the stream is doing is not. You're in. Okay. Time left 28 minutes. That seems like 28 minutes seems like longer than what you were doing yesterday. Is that big? Maybe it's because I'm on the maybe it's because I'm on the training grounds. But also, as I'm clicking, like it's not updating what you guys are seeing on the stream. Yours worth 30 minutes? Okay. I thought they were like 15s. Okay, so if I hit but you weren't showing this whole map thing, so that I definitely don't have it set up in the right way somehow. The campaign. It won't let me click campaign because it says there's a battle in progress. Maybe that's the problem. Yeah, let me capture method. There, I changed the capture method, and now it's like more. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah. There, now you can. Now it's actually updating to what I was doing. Yeah, before it wasn't updating the screen. So I don't see your. Have you placed a guy? I don't see anybody here. Work tanks, units. Battle planning. Not yet. Still loading on a different comp. Okay. And it's only letting me put one guy down. Like it's not letting me. I put this guy down. It's not letting me put any more. I don't see any timers like to put more guys. And it says troops placed 0. Maybe that just means your troops placed. You're only allowed 1. Okay. Thank you for helping me on this. I had so much fun with it yesterday that I wanted to get it set up, but I didn't have. I wish maybe I do need to find that email. Maybe I do need to find that email. Or army. How to play. You place one captain and wait for 30 minutes. Then you guys put everything around my captain. And then we win. All right. In that email, there's an overlay. I kept the game off screen till it was ready. Oh, okay. So I just hide it. And I can keep it up here on my screen. That sounds good. I had seen a few people doing this Stream Raiders thing, but now your explanation of it, that it's like a side game, now makes so much more sense, because I was like, why are people playing this game called Stream Raiders, but like their channel wasn't set to be playing Stream Raiders? So I was like, what? I don't understand like how they're like playing it, but their stream title was something else. So it makes total sense that it's like a thing to like come back and check in on over time. Makes total sense. So I just need to add it to my other scenes. Just something to keep the chat engaged. We love engagement. We love engagement. Sent a link. Where'd you send it? Oh, in Discord. Perfect. There it is. Tools overlays. Okay, logged in, copy this link. So this would be a browser source, right? Yeah, obviously. Alerts, 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 accent color. Yeah, that's fine for now. Plus, browser source. New. Stream Raiders overlay. Does it say what the mentions should be? It's good enough, I guess. Oh, there we go. Put it in the top corner there. Preparing for battle. And now is this what you were saying should automatically put something in chat? Or that's probably, yeah, okay, chatbot. Chatbot is here. Chatbot enabled. Keep your viewers engaged with Stream Raiders Captain Chatbot. Gotta mod the bot. Okay, man. See you when you get back. Okay. Take a look in the battlefield. Oh, is that Jason put in a monk? All right, nice. Nice. All right. Mimi, if you're still here, you can check this game out too. Help us out. Close that. All right, what is going on with everybody else? Okay. Oh, nice. We got a unit placed by Jason. We just got the alert. Oh, DraftKings, DraftKings, DraftKings. When will you ever have an up day? I mean, these calls are still so... Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong side. I don't know that I want to expand. I mean, I'm very confident in DraftKings right now, but I don't know that I am looking to double down even more on the position. What happened to the Russell? The Russell collapsed. Why did the Russell collapse today? Looks like everything might be collapsing. Russell's collapsing. Yes, not exactly collapsing, but weak. NASDAQ strong. Everything else down. NASDAQ strong. I don't exactly... Whoa. Volatility really came in, though. Really came in. Well, if everything else is weak... we could sell a call here. We're at 283. See if we can get filled there. See if we can get filled there. Oh, actually, my friend's been trading this cannabis stock, Telray. See the chart on that. Oh, finally had a down day. It was up yesterday, up the day before. Looks like... technically, it's up 12 cents. All right, we got to watch that. We just got filled in the Q's call with 7 days to go. Where are we here? Q's. There we go. Now we just need the market to collapse and we're good to go. Well, McConnell says no stimulus in the next 3 weeks, so I don't know how the hell this economy's going to keep going. Oh, what do we got? Jason placed another. Nice. Thank you, Jason. How many times? Oh, we got 14 minutes to go. What was that? Activity. Or was that toss? That was our... Oh! Our notes position came off. Nice. It's a good day when our notes position comes off, that's for sure. All right, let's put another one on. Let's get the right overlay. Let's get the right scene. And then let's get the trade on. 42 days to go. And where is our third? Whoa, gotta be so tight on notes. I always forget that. Actually, let's change it to 24 deltas. $36 ticks. I think that gets filled at the right price. Gotta put this overlay on here. There we go. Now that's there as well. Let's put it on here. We'll put it here. There we go. I'm hoping that since this is just I'm hoping that since it's just my like first battle, that Jason and I will be enough to defeat the enemies. I'm hoping that they grade on a curve, so to speak. This is interesting. I was just reading this offer that TastyWorks has that they give people 100 shares of stock to when they open an account, but it's like randomly selected stocks. It's kind of funny. Kind of funny. Kind of an interesting way to do a promotion. Let's see. We've got another update in Discord here. Where's the market now? Spy. Where's Spy? There's just a couple positions that are really hitting us hard today. Got a few that are doing nicely. The Fastly man just keeps making money. Another unit by Jason. Thank you. That you're gonna carry this. You're gonna carry this battle. You're gonna carry us for sure. Let's see. What do you got here? You got a monk. I don't have any monks yet. You got a an archer. Looks like a monk and an archer. I can't get the mouse over to work on the other stuff. You got 4 different kinds. All right, 8 minutes till the battle. Tesla's up. XLE is up. Is that a new position that we put on? No, that was 15 days ago. DocuSign just keeps ripping. Let's try and roll those strikes up. I guess that's why we don't have a working order, because we keep trying to roll the strikes up on this guy. Oh, I was going to say we never seem to be able to get filled, but there we go. Okay. DocuSign is back in our good graces. Diamond Malls, XLF. We never got filled on our rolls. Wait. Now we did. So that was the Canadian dollar. And that's the Australian dollar. Okay. Those two both needed some love and adjustments. Oh, DraftKings. All we need is one up day. Now I'm just like a broken record on that. Amazon having a great day. Volatility coming in. I bet if we look at the chart, oh yeah, look at that. Volatility really dropping in Amazon. At some point, we need it to slow down on the directional moves, though. I'm guessing this is NLY. NLY is down. Cron is down. Can we add a short call to this? How many shares do we have? We have 300. We'll see if we can add a little premium to that or get out of it, whatever. Oh, God, I put it in the wrong account. Do it again. Okay, see if we can get out of that. It was a mistake, but we'll just sit with it, I guess. So we're down 192, and literally these three positions are 250. So we'd be profitable if not for these three positions. And both of these currency positions are fine. They're just getting a little too close to the calls. But we should be fine. All right, we're getting close to the battle. In 3 minutes here. I'm actually going to take this opportunity to go get some coffee and wait for that. All right, back just in time. Here we go. Is this it? Start the battle. All right. I've never actually watched the battle. Oh no, I'm low on health. Yeah, I was right. Jason is... Oh my god, this is so loud. Up. Can we get some PogChamp? I gotta turn that. That volume is so loud. Okay, open the captain's chest. Give that to Jason. Grant rewards. Back to the map. My goodness, that is so loud. We'll turn them down to 50 and see if that's better. Off the phone, we just won, buddy. You were the MVP. Oh, we gotta go put all these down. Down, 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 down. If not for you, I would have dramatically lost. Okay. Settings closed. Select. We got our gold. Got our battle pass reward. Okay, close that. Oh no. Very easy. Start the battle. All right, let's get some items placed. Okay, the bot is in here working properly. I'm gonna go with a tank because the warrior died too fast last time. Hopefully you can get some units in before you have to walk the dog. All right, we'll take it off the stream. We got a half hour to get some units placed. Hopefully some other people get in here. This is a slow chat day for Friday. Maybe everybody's taking Friday off. Maybe everybody's taking Friday off. I'm sure there'll be some sort of there he is. What, bud? Okay. Are you playing Genshin Impact? Oh, I didn't realize it was Canadian Thanksgiving this week, but I knew that it was early. I knew that it was excuse me. I knew that it was in October. So that makes sense. The real Thanksgiving, huh? Oh, I can't wait. We should have an early Thanksgiving this year. My wife loves Thanksgiving. It's her favorite holiday. All right. All right. All right. All right. So back to trading. It's 8 o'clock. My kids are up and they have school in an hour. So they're early risers. They're up early with me every day, doing their thing. All right. So I mean, I guess the right thing to do in DraftKings is add a call spread. Come on. $2 wide, $3 wide. We need to collect some data from somewhere else on I'll let it pass this time. It's probably gonna be a lot more times between then and now. All right, let's see. That did not get filled, huh? Hopefully the 51 cents will get filled. I mean, we don't want to go lower than 50. Okay. And that was what? Opposite order. GTC. 0.25. Okay. The theory there is that If that position loses money, our other position makes much more money. So it's a hedge. And if our position continues to sit just where it is now, they'll both make money. So a little bit of a hedge. Our DraftKings position is getting very convoluted at this point. But there's a lot of volatility in it. I mean, the IV rank is 37, so it's the right place to be from an investment perspective. Or a trade perspective, I should say. All right. What else? Let's just keep an eye on the NASDAQ, I guess. Which continues to show incredible strength. All right, Jason got another unit in there. That's good. I don't understand why the NASDAQ is so strong. And the Russell. Pyro is like fire. The Russell is so weak. Oh, Johnny the Thug. Thank you for placing the unit, buddy. I appreciate that, Johnny. Thank you for being here. Will, hey, my favorite World War II streamer. Thank you for coming in and checking it out, checking out the stream. I appreciate it. We're playing Stream Raiders and stock trading right now. And I don't know if you've seen Stream Raiders before. It's like a game that viewers can help the streamer out. You click on the overlay there, you click on the link, and you place units on the battlefield. We're having an up and down morning. A lot of our positions are making money, but a couple of them are losing right now. So overall, we're down today, but we've had a really good week, so we're okay. We're not panicking. Thanks for coming by. I always you're one of the streams I check out a lot once my work day starts. Watch you. What is that game called? This is Hell or something like that. Something with hell in the title. Do I do crypto? Not a lot. I have in the past. The platform here has Bitcoin futures that I haven't traded in a while. I feel I did when things were more hyped up and the swings were bigger, I guess. I don't really have a strong philosophy on which way things are heading with crypto. I had played some Ethereum for a while, and in addition to Bitcoin, but I haven't in probably over a year really gotten in. I keep an eye on it, but I haven't made any trades myself or investments in any of these. It's I mean, it's definitely the thing that I like about it, and as I said, I haven't traded it in a year or two, but in the past year or two, I feel like it's gotten a lot more legitimatized than it had been. It was really like the Wild West of speculation, most people were, excuse me, yeah, at least in the United States, a lot of people were using Coinbase to trade it. Now that there's a future and it's listed on the commodity markets like everything else, I think there's a lot more big money that's involved in it now than there was before. I think before it was like purely um, individuals and then a couple big whales, but not like the standard banks and stuff that are usually Goldman Sachs and J.P. Morgan, not those kind of banks or investment firms, I should say. But it looks like over the past, is this 2 years? I zoomed all the way in, all the way out. This is 1 year. Let me look at 3 years. I don't know if it's been around for three. The future's been around for 3 years. So I mean, it's had a pretty good ride here, down at 9,500, back up to 12, back down to 11. Seems to like hang around for a while. Like it was at 9,500 here for like several months, and it hung out here for several months, back down here several months. Crypto's, it's one of those things. I think people kind of specialize in it. I try to be very diversified into a level 30 unit. Who's got a level 30? Is that what's on the? Oh my God, Johnny the Thug, who came in with a level 30 unit. My God, I guess he's going to be the MVP of this game. There we go. Johnny the Thug. This archer is probably just going to clobber everything, right? Level 30. My goodness, he must have found my game and searched me out. I don't know if he's here in the chat. Jason with another placement. Thank you very much. Yeah, I don't really like to specialize. I like to be like, if you look at my position list here, I like to be in a lot of different things. I have a position on in every single one of these stocks or ETFs. I like to be in as many different things as possible. Play the probabilities. That's the way I approach things. All right, let's take a look at Chrome again. I keep feeling like that. I mean, it's Friday and things have been so chaotic. There's got to be some like big piece of news that comes around, but there just really hasn't. There just really hasn't been. Looks interesting. Love trading. Yeah, it's one of those things. You either the biggest piece of feedback that I get from most people is that they wish that they learned how to do it, or that they don't understand, and that they Johnny the Thug with another unit. This is going to go very well. Most people, on Twitter, on Twitch, on Discord, whenever I tell them that this is what I do for some of my streaming, I need to get back to playing more games on stream too. I like to do this in the morning, but I need to get back to my evening gaming sessions. I'm really looking forward to Demon Souls on PlayStation 5. That's the next game that, like, in my head, I'm going to stream start to finish. Most people say that they wish that they knew more and they want to learn. So I'm going to be creating a whole new set of videos on like how to get started and everything. Oh, Rob, nice to see you here. Hey, Rob, I cashed on my DraftKings baseball last night. I so listen to this. I was on my laptop yesterday trying to get into some baseball event, and it kept giving me an error that I think it was due to my location. Like it said that didn't the fee was higher than something. It was a weirdly phrased error. But I have $92 in here, and I was trying to enter like a $3 contest. So I missed the deadline. Then I went on my phone, and I think my phone does a better job of understanding location or whatever. And look at this guy. Rob is at the MVP when it comes to claiming daily rewards. Look at that. I only missed this one. I missed the 25 cent. So anyway, I went on my phone, and the only contest that was left was like the night games because they hadn't kicked off yet. And it was interesting because the the player pool is so small for a limited set of baseball games that here, can I show you my lineup? Yeah. So like this pitcher did terribly. He only got 3 points, but it didn't matter because he was like he was the most expensive pitcher, and 63% of the pool took him. So looking at this, like I got a bunch of zeros and fives and zeros, and it didn't matter because they were all like highly picked players. I basically won purely because I took Gleyber Torres as my shortstop. Only 21% of the people took him, and he had a home run and got 28 points. So like actually these two picks, Smith was 33% and had 27. Torres was 21% and had 28. Like two picks was the entire thing because there was so little differentiation in the player pool. I don't know how many baseball games there are tonight. Marshall, good morning. We're just going over my my winning baseball pick last night. I've noticed that in my stream, the first hour, I feel like the first hour is the most interesting from like a trading perspective because the market starts up. But like in the second hour, way more people show up. So I got to figure out a way to keep the content going when all of you guys are here in the second hour. Like Marshall shows up, Rob's here, Will's here for the just coming in today. Jason's been here pretty much the whole time, but like I need to figure out how to get people in here earlier for the opening. Not that you guys need to wake up more. I need to get a different set of people to come in for that first hour. Because the second hour is usually popping off a lot better. When I got in here, I just woke up. Hey, let me tell you something. So did I. I stream literally minutes after I wake up. I think I've told the story before, but I usually wake up around 6 o'clock, walk into the bathroom to look in the mirror and make sure that my hair and face are reasonable. I make some coffee. While the coffee's brewing, I put on the stream with like the 10-minute countdown. Rob, Rob, you're opening up wounds. You're opening up wounds. I've been complaining about DraftKings all day. DraftKings is my biggest loser right now. I had to put on an adjustment. I sold some more calls. It's not great. You check that? I just start streaming. Well, I try and at least put in a minimal effort while I'm in there. I'm not as handsome as some people, as you and Marshall. You guys are handsome guys. I gotta help myself out a little bit. But yeah, DraftKings. All depends where in the world. I'm usually at work. Well, that's when I stream, or not stream. That's when I watch as much too. I usually throw it on my browser while I'm working. I can't work without like background. It's funny, like I need a little bit of a distraction in order to be productive with what I'm trying to do. So I always have a stream going just to keep my brain like in check. Yeah, Rob, I'm not sure why it's at 49 either. Um, I mean, that offering is locked in. The thing that the thing is with they've had, I think, oh, that's month to date. We just crossed month. They've had 4 down days in a row. I mean, besides this tiny little up day. So they need to just get any sort of up day in a row. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up days in a row. We just need to get a little something here. Just something to break this streak. I mean, just a nice up day, get us back over 50, 51, 50 to 51 on Monday or Tuesday, and my positions are golden. Like they're all going to come in. I just need this slide to stop. I mean, it's look at this slide from closed at 63 to 49 in 5 days, Friday to Friday. I mean, that's the thing that kills me right now. Just said you might increase your stake. I was looking at that right now saying like, Jesus, do I just keep doubling down here? I'm so bullish on the stock overall. And then I started to remember like it's actually come from a very high place, right? So if you look at this chart of like where it was in April, it was like 15. So you know, it's easy to look at it recently and say like, oh, you know, how low can it go? But like it could actually go a lot lower, right? Like they just offer that stock at that offering at 52. Marshall, you got to take a unit and drag it onto the battlefield. Take any one. It doesn't matter which one for now. Just grab a warrior or an archer. Just drag them onto the battlefield near the rest of everybody else. I tried to stake my crypto, but I think because I live in Canada, it won't let me. Bought one of their cards too and can't get it. Oh no. That's no good. Yeah, so Rob, I'm with you that like I'm super I'm super like long on DraftKings long term. I just don't know. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? This is good content here. I've been wanting to. So I don't know if you guys notice. I gotta move this. I'm gonna take my cam off just for a second. I have 3 accounts up here in DraftKings. One with the clubs, one with the diamond, and one with the circle. These top 2 ones are retirement accounts. So they have different restrictions on how I can trade in them. So one of the things that I was going to do, like this one right here, it just has these 2 stocks in there. I'm gonna put DraftKings covered calls in this account. Covered call here. We'll put our filter back on to regular expirations. And we'll do 51. We do hello. We do 51s. 55s. Why is it doing that? Why is there only... There we go. So I'm going to just get some covered calls in DraftKings here at 49 with the $51 calls. 7 days to expiration, and then we'll roll those next week. We'll do 300 shares. See if that'll fill. All right, we got 6 minutes to the battle, so everybody should be able to place at least one more guy on the battlefield there. Marshall, were you able to figure it out? It's a little bit confusing. You got to drag. You should see a bunch of characters around. Do we know when the offering is? Let's look. We got 6 minutes. Let's see what they have. Stocks making the biggest moves. Today they updated guidance. Yeah, Marshall's in there. He figured it out. Thank you. So they updated guidance down. This doesn't have the. Let's see. Let's just search for it. DraftKings secondary offering. All right. This was on Wednesday. Titans priced its $32 million offering at 52, 8% discount on October. The company is selling 16 million shares while shareholders are selling another 16 million. What? Out of here. Add. This doesn't say the timing of when it is. It doesn't say when. It doesn't say when. All right. Well, I don't. It's got to be soon. I don't know exactly when. We do know when their earnings are. Their earnings are on 8/14. So that was in August. So November 14th, they should have it again. November. Actually, it's November 13th. The platform here says it. See, right here, November 13th. So I mean, we have over a month before earnings. Did this fill or no? Oh God, did I put that in the wrong account? I put it in the wrong goddamn account. Oh my God. I mean, it's not a huge deal. Excuse me. We just got to do the trade again. So we're going to close that at a 5% profit when that happens. Jason with another unit place. All right. What was the account that I wanted to put this in? This one. Got to click the little T. The little T is what gets you every time. Boom. We'll let that swing around a little bit. All right. So, oop, there we go. Fill it on that one. So let's see. We got about 45 seconds till 45 seconds till the battle. Gonna need to get the game up on the screen here. uh, I need to do. You know what? I need to start hitting it. I need to manually hit the add button when I think I need to do a just gonna wait. I think what I need to do is start hitting the add button manually when I go to get coffee so that it doesn't come up in the middle of the stream. All right, here we go. Look at this. We're crushing. Look at that. Johnny the Thug. I think the volume was a little bit better that time. It was really loud the first time. Let's grant the rewards. Back to the map. Boss defeated. Collect. Oops. Collect. All right, get that out of full screen. Oh my God, Johnny, you got assists, Jason. You got assists, but man, did he crushed. I don't know if I'm gonna still be streaming in a half an hour. Let's start while everybody's here. Let's start this one. I'm gonna go with tank again. All right, my tank is on there. All right, yeah, this is. Are there consequences if you lose? Like big consequences? I don't want to lose if there's big consequences. Because I don't know how many people are going to stick around for the full 30 minutes to place units. I guess if I get Johnny the Thug, it won't really matter. Just have to use some in-game coins to redo it. All right, well, hopefully Johnny the Thug gets right back in there. Because one level 30 archer can probably carry the whole battle, I'm guessing. Okay. So, Jason, thanks for hanging out this morning. I appreciate that. Johnny the Thug is in here. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very good. Will you be in the TARDIS later today? Marshall, your guys will probably collect. When I played yesterday in Jason's stream, I think my guys got some experience points or leveled up or something. I got to unpin Microsoft Edge from the taskbar. I don't know why it's there. All right, so we got filled, right? Yep, we got filled. We're good with DraftKings for now. And our activity and we're working the other one. Yes, you're spreading the word. Spreading the word. My guys are losers. They're not bad, man. I just started yesterday too, so I don't think my guys can do much. Jason's got a little bit more experience. I don't know how long he's been playing for, but his guys are much more powerful. But Johnny the Thug is obviously a very committed player. So, Marshall, what are you doing today? Is it going to be poker or Magic the Gathering? What's on your agenda this morning? Johnny and Jason are our guardian angels. Yeah, they sure are. They sure are. Oh my God, Jason placed an epic barbarian. Oh, only a couple of days. See, all right. I am going to go in. I think I'm going to turn down the volume a little bit more. It's super loud. I don't know if it's as loud for you guys because I have my desktop audio turned down on the stream, but it's a little too loud for me in my headphones. Here we go. Marshall's got his unit back in there. Da-da-da. Yeah, Jason, the new Twitch, like just running ads on you, like without that's a bummer. But I think like my morning stream at least has like a natural break in the middle, like a little intermission when I go and grab coffee for like I stream for 2 to 2.5 hours. About halfway through, I get up and get a second cup of coffee. And when I do that, that's a good time for me to just hit the add button. And that way, if I hit the add button, then it won't randomly do it. So I think that's what I just need to get in the habit of doing. Not sure if you're going to stream or not today. All right. And you're not sure about the TARDIS? Well, I know you said you're about to leave, but I meant to ask you earlier. You said you had a late night with the Nerd Network. What were you guys doing? Were you playing Phasmagoria or Among Us, or like what were you guys up to? You got the internet provider coming out. Hopefully you're getting some fast, upgraded, speedy internet. Some fast, updated, speedy internet, hopefully. And let's see. Top 9 Mill Rogues. Oh my goodness. Mill Rogues decks. That's a thing, huh? You guys were playing Phasmophobia. I still have not tried that. I was saying to somebody the other day, like, I know it's a scary game, but like I haven't seen anything scary. Like personally, when I'm watching, it hasn't looked that scary to me. I haven't caught like a scary moment on the screen. DraftKings just continues to fall, continues to fall. When will you have any sort of up move? Let's talk about our good stuff today. Amazon up $50. Oh, big swing. Now it's down 5. There it goes. Amazon has a lot of wide markets, so the price updates pretty widely. One stock is just ruining it for all of us today. Just ruining it all. You laugh when you play the game? Yeah, I there is definitely a silly nature to it, like being able to like only one person having a flashlight. It's definitely like a Keystone Cops kind of Three Stooges feel to it, like while trying to be serious and scary at the same time. All right, let's see. Emails. Delete. You guys just delete a bunch of emails without reading them? That's how I go about it. just delete them. Who needs to read them? We lost our music. Let's get back a little of this. There. Can you hear that a little bit? There we go. So setting up for next week, we have a bunch of earnings plays next week that we need to prepare for. In mostly the financial stocks. Oh my goodness. Citigroup has earnings next week on Monday. So we're hoping for a little bit of an up move. We want it. It's at $45 right now. We want it at 47.5. and then this Iron Condor will close for a smashing success. What else has earnings next week? Let's just look at this real quick. Tasty Trade defaults, filters, earnings only in the next. No, there's more than this. Tom's Watch. Yeah. Okay. All of these stocks have earnings next week. Alcoa, Citigroup, JP Morgan. We don't have anything in JP Morgan. Let's throw something in JP Morgan right now. Wells Fargo has it on Tuesday. Goldman Sachs on Tuesday. Lot of earnings. Lot of earnings. So let's put on a JP Morgan. We are going to do tight. Ooh. Is that as tight as we can go? That's 10 wide. That's 10 wide. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Marshall with another unit. He's learning the game. Let's do a 101. 96. And so let's see. $5 wide there, $5 wide there, collecting 320. Oop, wrong account. We had the wrong T. All right, let's see if we can get filled on that. We'll leave that open, 320. All right, so we are gonna go over to a streamer who plays a little Call of Duty, plays a little bit of Just Chatting to just see how she's doing. We're gonna raid over to Jen's channel. And I'll see you guys later. And what else do I need to click here? Start the raid now.
You won't love it. No, I won't. I never love it. Noted.